Hello kids, welcome to Animals Made Easy. Today we are learning about big dinosaurs. These dinosaurs were very large. Some were as tall as buildings. Are you ready? Let's go back in time. Before we start, remember, smart kids like first and subscribe next. So if you are a smart learner, please like this video and subscribe to Animals Made Easy. This is a Tyrannosaurus Rex. T-Rex had sharp teeth. It walked on two legs. It was a carnivore. T-Rex was very big. This is a Brachiosaurus. It had a very long neck. It ate leaves from tall trees. It was a herbivore. Brachiosaurus was huge.
Wow! Big dinosaur go! Grand Tansang!
This is a Spinosaurus. It had a big sail on its back. It could swim in water. It ate meat. Spinosaurus was very large.
Raw! The Spinosaurus is thirsty! Now let's walk into the river. Time to splash!
This is a Triceratops. It had 3 horns. It had a big frill on its head. It ate plants. Triceratops was strong.
Raw! You're a big dinosaur! Let's get you some trees. There you go, big guy.
This is Giganotosaurus. It was one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs. It had sharp teeth. It was very powerful. Giganotosaurus was giant. Today we learned about Tyrannosaurus Rex, Brachiosaurus, Spinosaurus, Triceratops, Giganotosaurus. These were big dinosaurs. Which big dinosaur do you like the most? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next adventure. Bye bye.
Hi friends! Please subscribe to our channel! It's free and fun!